Welcome to Learn with Gravity. In the previous videos, we have taught you how to make faceless YouTube videos. Today, we are going to teach you how to make an image talk. For this, we are going to use two different software programs. The first one is TokkingHeads, and the second is Studio D-ID. So let's start our video. First, we are going to teach you how to make an image talk using TokkingHeads. Simply search for TokkingHeads on Google, and then click on the first link. Next, click on Generate Talking Head. It will give you two options. One is default avatar and the other is upload your own photo. If you have your own photo, you can upload it. I'm using the default avatar. Then, click on the next step. It will give you three options: video, audio, and text. You have to click on audio and upload the audio. Or if you want to write, click on text and write what you want the image to say. After this, click on the next step. Here you have to click on default avatar and then on talking head. In a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now, let's move on to the second software, which is Studio D-ID. So, go to Google and search for Studio D-ID, then click on the link and sign up. After that, click on Create Video. Here, you can upload your own avatar, generate one for yourself, or use the default avatar. After selecting the avatar, on the left-hand side, you will see the script option. Simply click on it. Here, you can type what you want the image to say. You can also select the audio option, record the audio, or upload it. After this, click on Generate Video. You can edit the video title and click on Let's Go. In a few seconds, your video will be ready. Simply download it. In this way, you can make images talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any videos from Learn with Gravity. Till the next video, bye-bye.